show that the points are capital A in bracket A comma B plus C, capital B, the point capital B here, B comma C plus A, and capital C, third point coordinates are C comma A plus B are collinear. You know that if points are collinear, then area of the triangle is a 0. Just to prove area of the triangle is a 0. Okay, so area of a triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2 into determinant of right here A B plus C here, A B plus C, then right here B C plus A, then right here C A plus B here, and right here 1 and 1 here. Okay, now adding these two columns here. Okay, so C2 gives here C2 plus C1, therefore 1 upon 2 into determinant of, okay, first column keep as it is here, A, B and C here, only second column changes here. So C2 plus C1 here, this plus this, A plus B plus C here, and so it is A plus B plus C, sum of these two, A plus B plus C, sum of these elements A plus B plus C here, right here 1 and 1 here. Here all the elements are same here. You can take a common factor. Therefore, this equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2 here into determinant of right here the first column elements A, B, C here, and here 1 and 1 and 1 here. Okay, second column 1 and 1, third column 1 and 1 here. And there is a property here. If two columns or two rows are identical, then value of the determinant is 0. Here two columns are identical here. Value of this determinant is 0. 0 into anything is 0 here. Is equal to 0. Yes, area of a triangle is equal to 0. The meaning here, the points are collinear. Therefore, given points are collinear. Answer? Given points are collinear. Okay. Find the values of K. If area of the triangle is 4 square units, area of the triangle they given here 4 square units, and vertices are, first example K0 4, 0, 0, 2, asked in the year March 2017 here. And second example -2, 0, 0, 4, 0, K, 2 times they asked here, March 2015 as well as July 2015 here, Karnataka PU board here. Therefore, there is a remark here, if area given, in that case you take both positive as well as negative values here. Okay, so therefore area of a triangle, area of a triangle is equal to 4 square units here. They are already given it. And you know that area of the triangle is 1 by 2 into determinant of, taking first example here. So coordinates are K0. So right here K0, then 4, 0, 4, 0, and 0, 2. So 0, 2, and right here 1 and 1 is equal to 4. So is equal to 4 here. Okay, first point is K0, second point 4, 0, third point is 0, 2 here, and last column write 1 and 1 here. And take this 2, that's it here, 4 2 is 8. And expand this determinant here. Hence modulus of K into 0 into 1 becomes 0. It is 0 here, minus 2 into 1 becomes 2. Then minus of 0 here, minus 0 into bracket 4 into 1 is a 4. Then minus of 0 into 1 becomes a 0 here. Then a plus 1 here. Plus 1 into bracket of 4 to the 8 minus 0 into 0 becomes a 0 here. So that is equal to 2 into 4 becomes a 8. So right here 8 here is equal to 8. Therefore k into minus 2 is a minus 2k here. Modulus of minus 2k. And 0 into any term is 0. Complete this term is a 0 here. Minus of 0. And 8 ones are 8 here. Plus 8 is equal to 8 here. Is equal to 8. Later, if you remove this modulus sign here. If you remove modulus sign, and this becomes a plus or minus 8 here. Hence, minus 2k plus 8 here. Minus 2k plus 8 is equal to plus or minus 8 here. If you remove this modulus sign, then write here plus or minus here. Therefore, take a first time plus sign here. Minus 2k plus 8 is equal to 8. In the second time, take minus 8 here. Minus of 2k plus 8 is equal to minus 8 here. If you take it right hand side here, 8 minus 8 becomes a 0 here. Minus 2k is equal to 0. Take a minus 2 right hand side here. K is equal to 0 divided by minus 2. Hence k value is 0 here. K is 0. And in this case, take it right hand side here. Minus 2k plus 8 become minus 8 here. Minus 8 minus 8 minus 16 here. Take a minus 2 right hand side here. K is equal to minus 16 divided by minus 2 here. Hence k is equal to minus 16 upon minus 2 becomes plus 8 here. Therefore k value is 0, k value 8 here. In the second case also, area of the triangle is 4 square units here. Therefore 1 upon 2 into determinant of minus 2 0. Right here minus 2 0 0 4 0 4 and 0k, and here right here 1 1 and 1, that is equal to 4 here, is equal to 4. Here even here also take 2 that side here, 2 into 4 is 8 here, and expand this determinant here. So modulus of minus 2 into 4 into 1 becomes a 4, k into 1 becomes a k, minus 0 0 into 1 becomes a 0, minus of 0 into 1 becomes a 0 here. Then a plus 1 here, plus 1 into bracket 0 into k becomes a 0, minus of 0 into 4 is a 0 here. That is equal to 2 4s are 8 here, so right here 8. So modulus of here minus 2 into 4 minus 8 here, minus of 8, minus into minus plus 2 into k becomes a 2k here, plus 2k, and 0 into any term is a 0 here, so it is a minus of 0, and here also this is 0 here, so plus 0 here is equal to 8 here. If you remove the modulus sign, then it becomes plus or minus 8 here. So minus 8 plus 2k is equal to plus or minus 8 here. Hence minus 8 plus 2k is equal to 8, or minus 8 plus 2k is equal to minus 8 here. Take a minus 8 that side here. So 2k, 8 plus 8 becomes 16 here. 16 by 2 is 8. Therefore k value is 8 here. Then here take minus 8 that side here. Minus 8 becomes plus 8. Minus 8 plus 8 is 0 here. 2k is equal to 0. Take it to right hand side here. 0 upon 2 becomes 0. Hence k value is 0. K is 0 and k value is 8. Values of k. If area of a triangle is 35 square units and vertices are 2 minus 6 5 4 k 4. Okay, asked in July 2018 year. Okay. So therefore area of the triangle is the 35 square units, they are already given here. So area of the triangle is 1 upon 2 into determinant. Write 2 minus 6 here. Then 5 4. Then k 4. Last column write 1 1 and 1 here. Okay. Take 2 right hand side here. 35 into 2. It is a 70 here. Therefore expand this determinant of 2 into 4 ones are 4 minus 4 ones are 4 here. Minus of minus 6 here into 5 into 1 becomes a 5 minus k into 1 is a k here. Then plus 1 into bracket 5 4s are 20 here. So write here 20 minus of k into 4 is 4k. So 4k here, that is equal to here 2 into 35 70. So write here 70 here. Then here 4 minus 4 becomes a 0. Complete this term becomes a 0 here. So determinant of 0 here. Minus into minus becomes a plus 6 into 5 minus k. 6 into 5 minus k. Then a plus 1 into 20 minus 4k is 20 minus of 4k is equal to 70 here. Is equal to 70. Okay, here 4 minus 4 is 0, 0 into 2 becomes a 0, plus minus into minus plus here. Then 6 into 5 minus k plus 1 into this term here, 20 minus 4k. If you remove the modular sign, then this becomes plus or minus here. So here 6 5s are 30. So write here 30. 6 into minus k is a minus of 6k here. Minus 6k. Then a plus 20 here. Minus 4k is equal to plus or minus of 70 here. Okay. 30 plus 20 becomes 50 here. Minus 6k minus 4k minus of 10k, that is equal to plus or minus 70 here. Plus or minus 70. Take a part time plus sign here. So 50 minus of 10k is equal to 70 here. Then similarly 50 minus of 10k is equal to minus of 70 here. Take a part time plus 70, second time minus 70 here. Left side term keep as it is here. Take a 70 this side, 10 that side here. Yes, 50 minus of 70 is equal to 10k. Then take a 70 this side, 10k that side here. 50 plus 70 is equal to 10k. Then 50 minus 70 minus of 20 here. Minus 20 is equal to 10k. Therefore 10 ones are 10 twos are cancels here. Hence the value of k is minus 2 here. K is equal to minus 2. And here 50 plus 70 is 120 here. Is equal to 10k. 120 divided by 10 gives 12 here. Therefore k is equal to plus 12 here. Hence k value is minus 2 and plus 12 here. Find the equation of the line joining the points 1, 2 and 3, 6 using determinants here. Okay. Here equation of the line are passing through 2 points here. One point is 1, 2 here. Second point is 3, 6 here. Okay. Take a third point as x, y. Here points are collinear. If points are collinear, then area of the triangle is 0. Okay. Therefore, let A into bracket 1, 2, B into bracket 3, 6 be the given points. Be the given points lie on a line here. Okay, lies on the line. The points lies on the line here. Let us consider one more point here. Let C into bracket x comma y be a pointer lies on the same line, lies on the same line here. Okay, here is a point here, this point B and this point C here. The points A, B, C are collinear. Therefore, A comma B comma C are collinear. If points are collinear, then area of the triangle is 0. Hence, area of triangle is equal to 0. And area of the triangle is given by 1 upon 2 here. 1 by 2 into determinant here. Right here 1 comma 2. 1 2 here. 3 6 and xy. And right here 1 and 1 is equal to 0. Okay, 1 2 3 6 and xy. Okay, 1 1 and 1 here. Take it to that side here. 2 into 0 becomes 0. And expand this determinant here. So determinant of 1 into modulus here. Modulus of 1 into 6 ones are 6. Y into 1 becomes y. Then minus 2. Minus 2 into 3 ones are 3. And x into 1 becomes x here. Minus of x. Then plus 1 here. Plus 1 into 3 into y becomes 3y. Minus x into 6 is 6x. That is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. If you remove the modulus sign, this becomes plus or minus here. Plus or minus 0, 0 is again 0 only. Hence 1 into 6 minus y is 6 minus y. Minus 2 into 3 minus 6 here. Minus into minus 2 into x is 2x here. Plus 2x. 1 into 3y plus 3y. 1 into minus 6x minus 6x is equal to 0. Okay. Then here plus 6 and minus 6 cancels here. Then 2x minus 6x is minus 4x here. So it is a minus of 4x. And 3y minus y plus 2y is equal to 0. Then dividing both sides by minus here. Just dividing both sides by minus 2, we get 2 2s are 4 here. So 2x minus y is equal to 0. 2x minus y equal to 0 is the required line here. So find equation of the line joining the points 3 1 and 9 3 using determinants here. Just take a previous example here. Here a 3 1 b 9 3 be the given points lie on the line here. C x y be a point lie on the same line. Hence a b c are collinear. Hence area of the triangle is 0. So 1 upon 2 into determinant here. Right here 3 1. Then 9 3. Then write here x comma y, x y here. 1 and 1 that is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Take a 2 right hand side here. 2 into 0 becomes 0. So modulus here 3 into 1 becomes 3. Minus of y into 1 becomes y. Minus 1 into bracket 9 ones are 9. Minus x into 1 becomes x here. Then plus 1 here. Plus 1 into 9 into y becomes 9y. Minus of x into 3 becomes 3x. That is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Okay, 2 into 0 becomes 0. And if you remove this modulus, then this becomes plus or minus here. Again it is a 0 only. So 3 3s are 9 here. 9 minus of 3y. 3 into y becomes 3y. Minus 1 into 9 minus 9 here. Minus into minus plus x here. Then 1 into 9y minus 3x. Again it is a 9y minus 3x is equal to 0. Then plus 9 and minus 9 cancels here. X minus 3x is minus of 2x here. And minus 3y plus 9y is 6y is equal to 0. Then dividing both sides by minus 2 here, yes, x minus 3y is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the line.